Yo, what's good, gang? Your boy Weasel, back with another reaction. Got some court cam, top four moment, excuse me, top four moments of court cam lashing out. So if it's your first time at the channel, drop that like for me. Helps the channel grow. Drop that subscribe, click that bell so you know when I'm dropping a new video. Then we're gonna get straight into it. Court cam, all that good stuff. Fire this thing up one time for the people, and let's get straight to it.
First, we go to the Veterans Memorial Courthouse in Lansing, Michigan, for the trial of 35-year-old Joshua Harding, who's been charged with 2 counts of sexual assault. There's Harding. 2 prosecutors represent the state, including Jonathan Roth, who, prior to sentencing, asked the court to consider a sentence on the higher end of the guidelines. At the far end of the table is Detective Brian Kanan, the lead investigator in the case against Harding. The jury's reached a decision in one of the cases and is about to read its verdict.
Oh, there we go. Why he moved so slow? He was contemplating if he wanted to do it. Look how slow he moved. I counted 20 because he was contemplating. Look. We're gonna look at this again. Look at him. Look at him.
Represent the state, including Jonathan Roth.
He looked like he just slow. He looked slow. He looked like he's always angry.
Sentence on the higher end of the guidelines. At the far end of the table is Detective Brian Kanan, the lead investigator in the case against Harding.
Look at him thinking about it. Thinking about it. Thinking about it. Fuck it. He wanted to do.
Under 8 seconds, so much has happened. Let's look at it again.
We ain't gotta look at shit.
Look a little closer.
He tried to go at him. He was thinking about it. He fucking failed. What you mean? Talk about, man, let's reanalyze it. He failed. Your attack was unsuccessful.
You can see Harding remove
something
inside his sleeve. Turns out Harding is holding a metal shank. Harding storms the prosecutor's table, headed straight for assistant DA
he was with all the shit. He snuck a weapon in. He said, no, I'm gonna go out like a G. Real for real. The shank though? Well, damn.
Not for the quick reflexes of Detective Kanan, Roth could have sustained serious injuries. 2 court deputies immediately take action to help bring Harding, who stands 6
he a big motherfucker,
to the ground.
He a big dude. 6'6", 280. God damn.
Watch as Roth removes his glasses to take a step.
Hey, he wanted to kick him in his fucking face, bro. He was like, "You stupid motherfucker! I know you didn't just try me. I know you didn't just try me." He want to be on his head, boy.
A spectator points something out to Roth. It's the shank. Meanwhile, Kanan and the 2 bailiffs are still wrestling with Harding. It took about 30 seconds to eventually cuff and remove the defendant from the courtroom. This brazen attack brought Harding an additional charge of assault with intent to murder,
Joshua,
to which he pled guilty.
You look slow. You a big motherfucker, though. I ain't even gonna cap. You probably didn't need the shank, but you stupid. You stupid. You clearly wasn't in your right state of mind. You just tacked on some more charges. Joshua, you must have been having a hard time. I hope you get through it.
As for the original charges, Harding was found guilty of second-degree criminal sexual conduct and is now serving a combined sentence of 44 years in a state prison. The earliest he could be released is the year 2064.
My nigga got 44 years, Joshua. See, you probably only would have got like a good 20, 25, 30. You probably was already facing a life sentence. But 44 years, god dang, bro. Yeah, you have fun with that. Think next time. Yeah, you didn't think. Never mind.
Authorities are unsure how Harding got the weapon into the courthouse. Because Harding was in police custody during the trial, he did not have to pass through a metal detector upon entering the courthouse. He also was not required to
So
wear
he was
handcuffs.
ready for the shits.
Now to Jefferson County Circuit Court in Louisville, Kentucky. 27-year-old Damon Hobbs is being
All right,
sentenced for
Damon.
second-degree manslaughter.
So you're already on court for second-degree manslaughter. All right, bro. Let's see what you do. Bro gonna do some stupid shit. Let's see how stupid you is, though.
At the microphone, a woman is sharing her impact statement with the court.
Children who've lost their father over something senseless, and sisters who have lost their brother and their best friend.
One of the victim's sisters, Tina Strange, is seated in the gallery.
Your Phoenix Suns are closing their holiday homestand at Footprint Center against the OKC Thunder on Wednesday.
Sensing that she's upset, someone nearby offers her a tissue, but that won't be enough to calm her down.
Okay, so yeah, so she back there. She trying to calm her nerves at this point. I can see it. She's like, you know how people be like staying in themselves or shaking her hands and shit. She's trying to calm herself down in the courtroom before she does something she doesn't want to do, say, or whatever. But let's continue. It looks like the mom of the victim is giving a statement at the time. So we're gonna go ahead and watch this.
We're here today and we want the court to know how we feel that
Oh!
enough time.
Look how she stood up. She ready with the shit. Oh. Hey, she cold clocked her in the face though. No cap. That must be the dude that did it, girl, sister, or something, because she backhanded the fuck out of her.
So what caused the victim's sister to lash out? She claims the woman sitting next to her was snickering throughout the proceedings.
Okay. So Shawty was laughing during the court proceedings. That's what it was.
After throwing the violent sucker punch, Tina Strange is charged with contempt of court.
Damn, Tina.
A day in jail.
Damn, Tina couldn't hold her emotions and went to jail for it. She wasn't gonna let that bitch slide. She wasn't gonna let her slide, y'all. She said, you ain't laughing at this shit. You ain't laughing today. Damn, bitch, I'm gonna close your mouth. Damn.
Now we head to a sentencing hearing at the Lincoln County Courthouse in Newport, Oregon. Scott Patrick Lemon, seen here wearing a blue shirt, is awaiting sentencing for charges of robbery, burglary, theft, 2 counts of menacing,
All right, Scott.
4 counts of coercion, all stemming from a home
All right,
invasion.
Scott. So basically, you breaking into people's shit. You fucking with people's shit. You fucking up, Scott. You're fucking up. Let's see what happens though in the courtroom.
Courtroom is a deputy, Lemon's lawyer, a police officer.
Okay, so he's highly
another
protected.
attorney. Deputies requested an electronic restraint for Lemon during the proceedings so that he could be immediately restrained in case he acted out. The judge denied that request. Lemon lunges for the officer.
I ain't even gonna blame Scott for this. I'm not even gonna blame Scott for this. They knew what Scott was capable of. They knew what Scott was capable of. They clearly requested to the judge that, hey, can we get some restraints on this guy? He crazy. We don't need him fucking with people. And he's surrounded by 3 fucking cops and his lawyer, and he goes for the fucking cop. The fuck? Yeah, they should have got that request granted. I know the judge stupid now.
If if we take a closer look, it appears that Lemon attempts to grab the officer's weapon.
He did. He tried to.
Fortunately,
They was on his
he's quickly
ass
taken
like white
down.
on rice.
Lemon has attempted escape added to his list of charges. He's currently serving a minimum of 7 years in prison.
Which means he can get out in 7 years. At least. Attempted escape. I don't think he attempted escape. I think he attempted to take some shit over. What you talking about? Wow.
Now to the Cuyahoga County Common Pleas Court in Cleveland, Ohio. This man, David Chiselton, has been convicted of aggravated arson and felony assault. He's here today to receive his sentence. Investigators claim Chiselton beat his girlfriend with a pistol, then held her hostage before setting an apartment complex on fire.
Bruh, you tried to kill her and the neighbors. He getting what he deserved as far as the law, because that's fucking crazy. He burnt down the apartment complex.
Fortunately, no one else was injured in the fire. Chiselton is handcuffed in the front. This is unusual. Typically, convicts are handcuffed with their hands behind their backs for security purposes. The reason you can't hear the audio is because the body cam of the bailiff hasn't yet fully engaged. But we can tell you that the judge is sentencing him to 47 years.
Reasonable amount of time for his crime.
And he is not happy about that.
Took it out on his lawyer. Point blank period. Lawyer probably lied to him, said he can get him a cool 20, 15, 10, had him lawyers be talking, and came here and hit him with a double, triple, quadruple piece, more than what he was expecting. 40 plus years. He ain't playing that shit. Should have handcuffed him right. Lawyer got him mad.
The man he just attacked was his own attorney, Aaron Brockler.
Hey, yeah, you calm? Yeah. You know you messed up, right? You understand that, right? Okay? Listen, when I uncuff you, put your hand behind your back. Do you understand? Okay?
They're now cuffing him behind his
Again,
back.
the second time they didn't follow what they were supposed to, quote unquote, protocol, and shit got out of hand. Frankly, y'all need to be locking these motherfuckers up like they supposed to, handcuff them like they supposed to. Fuck you giving these niggas leeway for. That's why he got smacked up. Handcuff him in the front, just like y'all didn't restrain the last dude, and he almost got the cop gun. I'm just saying. Seems like y'all putting yourself in these positions in the courtroom.
3 deputies escort Chiselton out of the courtroom.
Yeah.
Wild.
And
Oh, they
down
whooped
to
his
the
ass
holding
when he
cell.
got back.
SRT!
Look how the black that just came in to get him looked at him like, bruh, really? Really? Come on, bro. You know you fucked up now. You really fucked up now. That's the look he gave it him. This nigga right here, the attorney, the cop right here, the guard right here, he's looking at him like, bro, you fucked up bad. 45, bro. Yeah, that's crazy.
45 years. So right now, assault at least.
He's charged with 1 count of felonious assault and now faces the possibility of an even longer sentence. Joining me
Fucking
now
David, you fucking stupid, David. David is stupid as hell.
on that video. Aaron Brock.
Oh yeah, we got to hear
Thank you
this.
so much for coming in. We appreciate it.
Thank you for having me.
So take us to the moment before he attacks you. Were you talking to him? Was he just responding to the judge?
I was talking to him, telling him that I was going to come and see him in the jail because there may be some things that we could do to help, mitigate the sentence a little bit. Then he turned and looked at his daughter in the courtroom, uttered a profanity to her, and then that's when he struck me.
Have you ever had anything like that happen to you before?
I don't think he
No,
uttered a
because
profanity to his daughter. I think he uttered it to himself, but it was meant for you. And then he struck your ass because you just got him 45 fucking years and said you're going to talk to him afterwards to try to get it reduced. He hot because he know you on that bullshit and you got smacked up like Tina Turner when she got jacked up. But let's go ahead and finish and see what he's talking about, because the lawyer on some cap.
there's generally there's safeguards in place, specifically usually they're cuffed from behind, and 9 out of 10 times you get along well with the client. You're there to help him. I think he just was overwhelmed the years he got.
Was he expecting a lesser sentence?
I don't think he was expecting it. I think he was hoping for it, and I prepared him for the fact that expect them to argue for the max. We'll argue for the minimum. Judge will probably come out somewhere in the middle. She actually was below the middle, but I think he just seeing his ex and seeing his child there, and then hearing the amount of years probably just led to a breakdown for him.
What sort of injuries did you endure?
He broke my nose, got me on the left side of my nose, so I may have to have some surgery there to improve the breathing. I believe that I lost consciousness.
Oh yeah, he hit you with the
when it happened.
handcuffs.
Well, I think that he knocked me out, and then I fell into the table and then landed underneath the trial table. When I woke up, people were like, "Are you okay?" A slap shot in the face. My head was just ringing, and I was like, "Whoa," because I didn't see it coming. It was a total sucker punch. Yeah.
Next time, Aaron, man, don't even tell him he getting that much years, man. Just like, bro, I didn't even know, Cap, they might fuck your life up. And then if he gets less than that, then he's gonna be proud of you and he's gonna be happy. But like you said, the emotions probably got the best of him. You got smacked up, nose broke. Realizing these inmates ain't no joke, handcuff them from the back, strap them up like they supposed to, and make sure they ain't got no crazy family audience, But that's gonna do for this one. Some court cam, top 4 outlandish moments in the courtroom. Go ahead and like, comment, subscribe, click that bell, all that good stuff. This your boy Weasel. And we out this thing. Yee!